For exempt employees working a COVID-related project, they will need to provide the hours and project code onto their timesheet. To do so, from the menu, under Myself, select Time Management. A pop-up of the current pay period timesheet will appear. Scroll down to the timesheet detail section where you will see this current week. You will see the pay code, department, cost center, and when we go live, there will be a project column as well. You will use the scroll bar to scroll to the right, and you'll have the Add Row option. Go ahead and click on Add Row, and you will see an additional row with the options to select pay code, department, cost center, and eventually project. There will be two project codes, one for vaccinations and one for testing. If you are scheduled to work at a specific location for COVID testing or COVID vaccinations, you will need to select the drop-down under cost center and select the cost center that you will be performing the COVID duties. For pay code, you will select COVID-19, and if the department needs to change, you will as well be changing the department to the correct department that you were scheduled to work in. Once you have selected the pay code, cost center, project code, and the possible change in department, you can scroll to the right, and for the date that you are scheduled for COVID duties, you will then need to enter the amount of hours that you were scheduled for those specific dates. Once you have entered those hours, go ahead and scroll to the left and select the Save button. Once your selection has been processed, you will then receive this green ribbon where your entries were saved successfully. You can refresh the page by selecting the name Timesheet. Scroll down where you will see the changes that you made for this row. You will be able to see the COVID-19 pay code. If you change your department, that will be changed. The cost center as well will be updated. And under project code, you will see the project code for either vaccinations or testing. And you will now be able to see the amount of hours for those days that you did perform COVID duties.